Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch LG LCD TV. In this TV the complaint is red light one time blinking, and this fault is mainly indicates a motherboard complaint. Since it's an old model TV, the default new motherboard is not available in the market. So here we plan to install this Universal LCD LED TV motherboard. Here we already connected all sockets for installing the Universal board. This board comes with UNISOC processor. The working voltage of this board is 12-volt input VCC. Here we connected the suitable LVDS cable. Now all connections are made in sockets. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture before going to final installation process. See friends, now the TV is turned on. Here you can see now picture comes and the TV is working properly. Now we need to fix this Universal board in compactable plastic box. See friends, finally now Universal board is fixed properly. Now let's check the picture. See now picture comes. Now for special settings and adjustments, let's open service mode. For that, press menu 2580 on TV remote. Finally now work is done and the TV is repaired successfully. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.